In this video, we are going to be learning how to change the background color in your Zangi application using your smartphone. First of all, open the Zangi application on your device and log into your account if necessary. After you are logged in, tap the settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. Within the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Appearance. Under the background option, you will see color options. Simply select the color option available. You can also use the system color by tapping on the toggle button right next to Use System Color. If you want to change the background of your chat, tap the background option and on the next page, choose from the photos available on the display. Choose one of the photos and tap on the Set button at the top right corner. Once you select a photo from the list, this will be your wallpaper for Zangi. Go ahead and open up your chat, and you will be able to see your preferred background within your chat interface. So that is how you can easily change your background color in Zangi application using your smartphone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.